Made it in Hemingway house. If you need to, I don't know if you could bypass, maybe. Uh-oh. Nope. 4 lines. That's probably how they're limiting people in.
Oh,
So.
probably.
Good spot.
Did you get that picture? Did you get it? Okay, that's kind of frightening. You see the thumb? Yeah. You don't have to count the toes. The 6-toed cat just has thumbs, so you see thumb, you know it's a 6-toed cat. It kind of looks
Interesting. 6-toed
We
cat.
actually round up the kittens at night, just the kittens. We put them in cages in the back so they're safe. We call it the Kitten Protection Program. I'll be back in a couple minutes.
I think.
And he is the hardest one to catch by far. And he's just going to sit there. Oh, I love you. To the right. Oh my God, you're equal.
See one there? He's a big one. He's thick. Yeah, he's like, well. You like that? I like that a lot too. That one studio where it had some good art, but. Well, I take pictures, right? Oh, you want something? You're good.
You can stay here till like,
Ah, he's on the bed. Feel him.
oh, there's a fucking kitty.
You can pat yourself if you want.
Yep,
If your mom and dad say you can pat them, it's okay.
You do that.
Okay. That's Daisy.
Oh,
Daisy is a furball. She's part Maine Coon. Billy Holiday.
Billy Holiday.
Billy has 6 toes on all 4 paws. You're going to have to take over for him. Here's what happened. About 100 years ago, sailors began breeding 6-toed cats with fat paws, the big thumbs. They're just better at chasing mice on a ship, in a marina, and you'll never see a mouse on this property. You might see a lizard. You'll never see an old lizard. There's a Captain Dexter at the Navy base. He raised 6-toed cats. Hemingway came home with a little white kitten. The boys named her Snow White. There's a line back to Snow White with every one of these cats. This is the master bedroom. I should show you a few pieces that belong to the Hemingways. Most of the furniture in the house did. This headboard is from Spain. It's 300 years old, hand-carved walnut. 3 hand-carved wooden figures laid in a fruit basket. These 2 guys are conga players. The pieces came from Cuba. That's right where they stood when the Hemingways lived here. And chandeliers. One in every room. There's one in that bathroom. Yes, there. Thank you. Pauline had them tear out every ceiling fan in the house. So you can hang chandeliers that you bought in Paris. We think about Pauline every day, especially in July and August. We're going to head out on the balcony, but I'd like to check. Any questions? Anything on your mind? Okay. I'm going to cut to the front. Follow me.
I want to just twist it up. Billy Holiday. Right here, Arbel.
This side. Get a picture of the lighthouse across the street.
Oh, cool. Yeah, guys, get in there after them.
Cody.
Lighthouse?
Hey, guys. Turn around.
Yeah, right there. Stand at the pole. Stand next to the pole.
How's your sister? Too much.
They don't make copies like that.
What do they do now?
No, they look so
So much hair.
Yeah.
Cute.
That's right. That's the airflow. Spanish colonial, French colonial belt.
You have that little, like, pool down there.
Hemingway once said, no matter how late you left Sloppy Joe's bar, as long as you can find that light, you can find your way home. Hey, it's a good system. I've used it. You see this this area, people think is a giant litter box. No.
It's like a baseball field.
Could be. Actually, we have so many weddings and parties at night, it tears up the grass. You can't lay sod if there's a party at night, so we just use mulch. There was a party here last night. Anybody land in the bushes? Leave alone.
Yeah.
Follow me?
They're all just probably sleeping somewhere, right?
Yeah.
Till the tour, then we get to walk around the bottom.
Hold up here for a minute.
I'll be right in front of you. Come. Get behind me. Watch your head. You can tip the guy?
What?
You have to tip him like $5 or $3.
Oh, yeah, go ahead.
The guy behind the phone there.
Two of them.
That's right. Oh, a third one. That's George Cabot. See how I know where the cats are before you go? All I have to see is the tail, and I know. That's Lionel Barrymore.
Looks like
the
mustard.
orange tabby. By the way, girls, orange tabbies are almost always male.
Oh,
And
yeah.
now you're petting Harry Truman.
Harry Truman.
Harry Truman. Harry is losing his hair because he's 17.
Oh, look at that thumb. Look at his thumbs.
And up here, that's Humphrey Bogart. See Bogey? You can pet him. Now, you might wonder, how can the guy tell that tabby is different than that tabby? Bogey's the only tabby with no extra toes. Harry's losing his hair. There's something thinking about every cat. Also, they're usually in the same spot every day. That's a very territorial creature. I get a lot of questions.